Located in the south of China in ABB's Xiamen industrial hub is the ABB low voltage switchgear and circuit breaker production facility. This facility is ABB's largest global manufacturing centre for low voltage switchgear, servicing local and overseas customers. By the end of 2021, ABB Xiamen has provided over 400,000 sections of low voltage switchgear to customers in more than 60 countries. 150,000 sections have been operational for over 10 years. Customers expect ABB to be a premium supplier of products and services. ABB ensures this through the application of third-party certified quality and environmental systems. ABB uses the latest in technology through the project execution to provide our customers with quality products in short lead times. With significant investments in advanced technology and talented staff, the Xiamen Low Voltage Factory delivers products to ABB's globally unified standard of functionality and quality. At ABB, sustainability is a key driver for our company, and the Xiamen factory, amongst other sustainability goals, is targeting to achieve carbon neutrality by 2025. The Xiamen factory has already achieved zero waste to landfill certification from UL. Over 30 years ago, ABB set up its operations in China with a commitment to the Xiamen hub. Through continuous investment and development, ABB has an operation providing our global customers with safer, smarter and more reliable power solutions, helping to build a digital, sustainable future.